Hello everyone, my name is Nilu Maji. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today I will share with you a story of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great son of India. He was also a saint, scholar, and a great patriot. He had gone to give a speech on Indian philosophy and Hindu religion to America. At the time, an American audience asked a question to Swami Vivekananda. That question was, that audience asked, Swamiji, can you give me an answer of my question? May I ask you a question? Swamiji said, yes, you ask. The American audience asked, Swamiji, how is it true that the cows were attracted towards the flute of Lord Sri Krishna when he played his flute? At that time, Swamiji continued his speech, continued his discourse. He did not give the answer. And after giving speech, sometimes he abruptly stopped his discourse and went to the next road crossing. And when Swamiji went to the next road crossing, all the American audience followed him and gathered at that place where Swamiji delivered the speech again. Because all the audience had become spellbound listening his speech. So after, at that next road crossing, after giving his speech, without finishing the speech, he went to the next road crossing again. And the American audience also followed Swamiji and gathered at the next road crossing. Like this, Swami Vivekananda did 2 or 3 times. All the American audience became surprised that why Swami Vivekananda are going from one place to another place to deliver his speech. And that audience who asked that question, how is it true that the cows were attracted towards the flute of Lord Sri Krishna when he played his flute? That audience again asked that question to Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda said, already you have got your answer. That audience asked, how? How did I get that answer? Swamiji said, I am an ordinary person. I am an ordinary person, but to listen my speech, you are following me. And you are coming after me. But isn't it true that Lord Sri Krishna was a great soul? So isn't it true? The cows were attracted towards the flute of Lord Sri Krishna. Listening this answer of Swami Vivekananda, all the audience, all the American audience became happy. And all the American audience received the knowledge about Indian philosophy and Hindu religion. So in different ways, Swami Vivekananda delivered his speech there with many more morals. So dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed this answer of Swami Vivekananda. So if you like this video, please like and share and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.